Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a quick one about a new camera I got off eBay for a little under $200. It has a sensor that was made in partnership with Kodak, and so in my opinion it has a pretty filmic look. The camera that I'm talking about is the Olympus E-300. It has a built-in flash. And here are some example photos from it. Like I said, it has a built-in flash, and I also bought separately the Zuiko digital 25mm lens. It came with a kit lens, but I got this 25mm because I wanted it to be lighter and easier to take out casually. It was a bit of a pain to get a hold of this camera. There are lots of them listed online. At first I bought one through Amazon refurbished, and it was missing one of the doors for the USB ports, and it also just didn't turn on. Then I went to eBay, bought one, and it ended up being an infrared converted camera, which I do actually have now. The seller of that camera, after I bought it, messaged me. They said that they tested it and found out that it was an infrared converted camera, which I'm not sure why they didn't know that and test it before they listed it with a condition. But they asked if I wanted to go and continue with the purchase, which I said I did because I guess curiosity got the best of me, and I've never tried an infrared converted camera. But here are some of the photos from this infrared converted camera. And then finally, I bought this one right here. I also got this camera strap. I was a little worried that it was gonna hurt my neck, but thankfully, due to the light weight of this camera, another pro of having a small lens, the camera strap works out perfect. I'll list a link to the camera strap in the description of this video if you're interested, but here are some more photos from the E300. It is an 8 megapixel camera, so you're not going to get really sharp photos, but if you're looking for a camera that has more of a filmic look, probably in part because Kodak did partner to make the sensor for the camera, and I do recommend checking it out if you're in the market for a new camera. But that's really it for this video. If you do have the E300 or if you've used it before, I'm curious about what you think of it. Feel free to drop a comment below, but until next time, thanks for watching.